Meaning of footman.
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 Footman. Footman refers to a male servant, typically one who works in a household, attending to the needs of their employer. This term has a historical connotation as footmen were commonly employed by wealthy families during the Victorian era. Their duties included carrying messages and packages, answering the door, and attending to guests. The role of footman has diminished in modern times, with most households opting for more versatile and cost-effective housekeeping solutions. Today, footman is an archaic term used mainly in historical contexts or period dramas.